commentary and analysis. We give you the very latest.
I'm sure I just saw Shanoya Douglas on screen.
Yeah, there she is. She is lining up for the semifinals of the under-20 girls 100 meters, which come up next.
At 10.98, Shanoya Douglas is one of 11 Jamaican women who have run faster than 11 seconds this year for the 100 meters. There's some who felt that she should run with the seniors here at the national championships.
But has chosen to run with the juniors, as she's done for the most part this season.
Maybe she heard Let's See Tebogo's run with your age mate message to Gout.
Well, again, she's one of those Bruce James who would have had exams since competing even at the penny relay. So here we go with the full lane assignments. Tasha Gay Williams of Holy Childhood in 2. And this is Chevian Shim of Immaculate, who will be running from 3. Shakea Reed of Penwood runs from 4, finalists in the 100 meters at Class 1 at Champs this year. And the winner of that event, Shanoya Douglas, 10.98 of Holland High, runs from lane 5. Shim as well was a finalist, ending 5th. This is Shanoya Douglas. The superlatives have been attached to her name all season.
She's still the fastest junior in the world, not just Jamaican, in the world so far this year.
10.98. And Samoya Brown will be in 6 of Immaculate. On screen there, this is Tahani Bryce of Papine. And out there in lane 8, this is Rebecca Nugent of Penwood High. So 3 finalists, including the winner from the Class 1 girls
on your marks.
Event at Champs this year. Lined up here. Top 2 short to advance. And then the next 2 best times. 3 semifinals, as these athletes look to book their tickets to the final set for later this evening. Williams in 1, Shim in 3, Williams in 2, Shim in 3, Reed in 4, Douglas 5, Brown in 6, Bryce in 7, and Nugent in lane 8. Set position. Bang, sent off, clean break. Brown of Immaculate out quickly. Douglas now takes charge as expected and moves away from the field. That inimitable running style of hers. Douglas motoring away from this field. And Brown coming through for second from Immaculate, taking the second automatic qualifying spot.
11:33, negative 0.6 wind. I think Daniel Dowie, something special happened there. Got a poor start from Shanoya Douglas, probably the last out of the blocks. But at 10 meters, she starts to step on the gas and is already in the front of the pack. But she does not ease up. Daniel, I suspect that what Shanoya Douglas is trying to do is get race preparation for the World Under-20 Championships, where she's going to have to run that fast each round.
Yes, technically, she looks sound through the phases. The start lackluster. But I like that she was patient and allowed herself to just unfurl the speed and get going. Similar to Kai Kelly, not panicking, even though it didn't get in the best of starts.
So here we go. Douglas 11.33. Brown off Immaculate 11.91. Her teammate Shim 12.07 in third. So the top 2 short to advance. Shim she waits to see if she advances